Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Pure Diffuser Vape, a product that claims to help people quit smoking and vaping safely. But is it really legit or just another scam? First, a quick disclaimer: this review is based on my personal opinion and research, including customer reviews and info from their official website, purediffuser.co or purediffuserco.com. Pure Diffuser Vape markets itself as a natural, safer alternative to smoking or vaping, using essential oil diffusers designed to curb cravings. The idea sounds promoting, especially for anyone trying to quit nicotine. On the official side, they emphasize health benefits, no chemicals, and an easy way to wean off cigarettes or vape pens. The concept is appealing, a non invasive way to fight addiction, but when we check user reviews on Trustpilot, things get a bit murky. Pure Diffuser Vape holds a 4.2 star rating from 276 reviews overall, which sounds decent. However, some of the 1 star reviews highlight serious concerns. Customers complain about false advertising and poor customer service. One user said they waited almost a week for a refund and had to repeatedly ask before hearing back. Others mentioned that the diffuser pods only lasted a day each, making the supposed 5-month supply barely last 3 days, which would cost hundreds per month to keep going. That's obviously frustrating and raises questions about a product's true value and effectiveness. So what's the final verdict? While Pure Diffuser Vape might offer some benefits for certain users, the negative experiences around product lifespan and refund issues are red flags. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is based on my personal take on research and user feedback.